Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly on the 22nd of November 2021. We are powering our way towards the end of the calendar year. Everybody in Year 5 and Year 6 of the Grange community, you know what we're about. We at Grange have a G for a great caring attitude, an R for rarely trying our best, an A for always learning, including and especially from our mistakes. You might have noticed that I skipped the N. The G in G in Grange is for going for improvement and progress, about personal best. That's what it's about. Not about being better than anybody else or beating or anybody else. It's just about each of us making progress and improvement. And the E of Grange, the E for education, helping us to make good choices as we go along in life. And here comes the N. We never give up. We are CC learners. That is what we're about. At Grange, we know that true strength is your character strength. And character strength, Grange style, is the CC way: confidence and consideration. I want to give a big shout out to Lister class, who introduced this week to me the concept of CC talking. CC talking is when you talk with confidence. Your voice is clear. Your voice is projected so people can hear you. You speak with confidence, clearly, calmly, and you speak with consideration as well. You think about who your audience are, what their needs are as well. And when it's their turn to talk, you listen to them. CC talking, amazing stuff. Confidence and consideration, our CC way. Grange, people of power, give me hope. Berthiga for sharing her super Spanish learning. Aliyah with your brilliant display design work, the Leaves of Kindness, and the Grange CC Ambassador Board. And you're going to help me with the assembly stuff as well. Aliyah Mandela, fantastic. All of our Grange children, welcome the new children in Grange and make them feel so safe and happy. I'm proud of you. I just spoke with Ms. Shukal in the office. We're getting new children joining us on Monday. John and Mustafa O for sharing your SATS journey with me. I just loved being part of your SATS journey. SATS stressful. Don't want to talk about my opinion about SATS, but the point is, it's a journey for us. It's a challenge. And John and Mustafa O, you shared yours with me, so a shout out to you. And then all our Grange children in upper key stage 2 who do the CC walking, who do the CC salutes, who understand the power of CC, who understand the power of Grange, our school. So well done, everybody. There's your wiggle. And let's go on to our character strength focus for the week. Sorry, a special apology to Miss Begum in Park's class, who apologized to me because the assembly last week was so long that she didn't manage to finish it. I hope you do get to finish it at some point, Miss Begum, but this week's is shorter, briefer to get through. But the character strength that we're going to talk about is keeping myself calm. People think that's just an easy thing. Well, in last week's assembly, we spoke about this. What happens to our brain when our brain isn't calm, and when we keep our brain calm, and why it's so important. But that is a superpower, keeping ourselves calm. So we'll come back to that. We know we have CC walking at Grange. We know we walk with confidence and consideration. We know we have staff sitting at Grange. We sit up straight, we track the speaker, we ask and respond like a scholar, and we respect those around us, and we respect ourselves. And we know that there's no substitute for each of us. We each have to live our best life. So the feedback topic for you, and this is when you pause the video, Miss Begum, you'll like this one because this is achievable. So all you need to do is you just need to consider, have a discussion about what should the head teacher assembly topic be for next week. What really matters to the children of Grange in upper key stage 2? So what should the head teacher assembly topic be about? And we'll generate feedback from that. Pupil voice, pupil power. You have the power to influence the head teacher in this school. So take that power, speak with confidence, speak with consideration, think about what would be important for me to do an assembly on, and then to hear your feedback to that assembly. So I'm really looking forward to that. So any adult watching the video right now with the children, pause the video, use your feedback books. If you don't have a feedback book, use a big piece of A3 paper, post-it notes. Children, try to put your name on so I know who it is, and most importantly, put what should the topic be. If you can stick a brief why you think that topic is so important, that's fantastic. So right, that is feedback. Remember all our Grange thoughts. Your problem is my problem. We are caring community over here, so we don't say, oh, well, I don't care about you. I care about you, and actually, We really, really look out for each other. We are allies. We're human friends. We're all connected. We all live in the same world, and we all are part of this amazing school. So let's really look out for each other. Let's see each other for all the power, the good, the beauty that's in each of us. Be confident about what is inside me. See myself for the best that is me. And don't let any negativity put that down. Stand up for yourself and also look at the other person, consideration, see them for who they are, appreciate all of them, and live your life with confidence and consideration. So our gold stars of the week are Ned, Asia, Shana, Aisha, Joshua, Amrit, Danura, Daria, Ayat, Andre, Natalia. So proud of you. Let's just see that all. Look at you, gold superstars, CC, our people. Class champions, Daria and Seco, Dima and Seco, Gala and Seco, Asia and Lister, Louisa and Lister, Nikki and Lister, Patrick and Nightingale, Joshua and Nightingale, Rahima and Nightingale, Fiona and Nightingale, Aisha and Nightingale. So proud of you. And let's just look at that again. Yes, look at you, super class champions. And we're proud of all of you. Ayat in Tubman, John in Tubman, Ilya in Tubman. Terrific, tremendous Tubman work. Shanna in Mandela, Amira in Mandela, Pratya in Mandela. Fantastic, fantastic, magnificent Mandela work. Danura in Parks, Mehdi in Parks, Yusuf Yes in Parks, and Amrit in Parks. Powerful Parks work. All of you class champions, proud of you. Grange House of Water, look at that. Grange House of Fire, look at that. Get the swivel for highest attaining house. Grange House of Air, would you look at that? Grange House of Earth, brilliant work. And all of us as a community, pooling our resources, putting our strength together. Together we are stronger. 22,835 CC PowerPoint, which is just brilliant. So, who are the classy classes? Well, Nightingale class. Actually, I'm sorry, this is a mistake. A Nightingale class, it is 1,547 points. Tubman class is 1,868 points. And Seco class, it is 2,310 points. So well done. Correct positions, just slight mistake with the Tubman and Nightingale class points. You got more than I wrote over there. So well done to all of you classy classes. We've set ourselves a crazily ambitious target. When you look at that, I mean, you can read that as 250,000 points. It's a 250,000 class charts points. And we said we're going for a 250,000 class charts points in this autumn term. Well, everybody, let's do some mental maths here. Last week, we had 196,244 points. We added this week 22,835. I'm going to do myself some quick mental maths. I'm going to say 196. You need like 4,000 to get to 200,000. And then I'm going to take away, so there's 200,000. I'm going to take away 4 from 22, but it's actually 23. So let's take away 4. So that's 19. So I think we've got about 219,000 points, which means we need about 31,000 points, something like that. And we have 3 weeks to get it. Are we going to do it? Oh, yes, we are, because we are powerful, we are kind, we are loved, we are Grange, and we are going to make it. 250,000 class charge points coming up. Super Sequel, you were the classiest class of last half term. Did you get your award? Yes, yes. Hamilton, hamster power. So we'll look at the end of Autumn 2 and see who was the classiest class of Autumn 2. But everybody benefits when we all work together as a community. So let's do a CC salute. Put our hands on our heart with confidence. Don't listen to any negativity around you. Don't listen to anybody putting you down. Don't even listen to the inner critic, the voice in your head that sometimes says, I'm not good enough. Because you put your hand on your heart and say, I am good enough. I am worthy. I am confident. My voice does matter. And I will carry on learning and carry on growing and carry on being my best so that I live my best life. And then look at that beautiful planet that we are part of and just have consideration for our planet, for all the inhabitants, the humans of our planet, and for all the animals and the plants and the beauty in the planet, all the learning that we can just do in this planet if we just have consideration. So CC salute, let's be great, let's be Grange, let's live our lives with confidence and consideration, let's enjoy the learning ahead, be safe and happy. At Grange, how do we do it? Well, we learn together, we respect each other, we achieve our potential, and that's our potential. That's not anybody else's potential. That's each of us being our best. And who knows, one of you sitting over here, actually all of you sitting over here, you are world changers. So live up to your potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.